Removing the Klaviyo logo from your email ensures a cleaner, more professional look for your brand communications. Here's how you can do it. Understand the requirements. The Klaviyo logo appears by default in emails on the free plan. To remove it, you need to upgrade to a paid Klaviyo plan, as this feature is only available to premium users. Upgrade to a paid plan. Log into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to Account Settings, Billing. Choose a suitable paid plan based on your email list size and requirements, and complete the payment process. Access your email template. Go to the email template section in your Klaviyo account. Select the template you want to edit or create a new one. Remove the Klaviyo logo. Locate the Klaviyo logo in the footer of your email template. Click on the logo block and delete it. Replace it with your branding element or leave the space blank for a cleaner design. Save and test. Save the updated template and send a test email to ensure the Klaviyo logo has been removed.